Lesson 132. Still. Yet. Annoyance. What feeling does the word still communicate when we use it in a negative sentence?
The word still communicates a feeling of surprise or annoyance when we use it in a negative sentence.
Give me an example, please.
I've explained it 100 times, but he still doesn't understand.
Can the word still be used in questions?
Yes, the word still can be used in questions.
Give me an example, please.
It's nearly midnight. Are you still working?
When do we use the words still, or more commonly, even, in a comparative structure?
We use still or even in a comparative structure to communicate that something is surprising.
Give me an example, please.
My French is bad, and my English is still worse. Joe is fairly greedy, but his sister's even greedier.
According to. In my opinion. If I said to you that, according to the newspapers this morning, life had been discovered on another planet, would you believe me?
Yes, if you said to me that, according to the newspapers this morning, life had been discovered on another planet, I'd believe you.
What, according to you, is the best way to deal with murderers?
In my opinion, the best way to deal with murderers is to send them to prison.
When things don't go according to plan, what do you do?
When things don't go according to plan, I make new plans.
Band. Disturbance. Military. In this town, do you get bands of young people going around the streets at night causing disturbances?
Yes, in this town, we get bands of young people going around the streets at night causing disturbances.
Name a band that's very popular in your country.
A band that's very popular in my country is the Rolling Stones.
Do you like the sound of a military band?
Yes, I like the sound of a military band.
Why do they put a band of material inside a hat?
They put a band of material inside a hat to help the hat to keep its shape.
Why do tennis players sometimes wear a band of material around their wrist?
Tennis players sometimes wear a band of material around their wrist to absorb the sweat.
Link. Browse. Is there a definite link between cigarette smoking and serious illness?
Yes, there's a definite link between cigarette smoking and serious illness.
When browsing on the internet, do you ever follow so many links that you forget what you were originally doing?
Yes, when browsing on the internet, I sometimes follow so many links that I forget what I was originally doing.
Do you enjoy browsing round shops at the weekend?
Yes, I enjoy browsing round shops at the weekend.
Carriage. Invention. What's the noun of the verb to carry?
The noun of the verb to carry is carriage.
How many carriages does the average train consist of?
The average train consists of about 6 carriages.
What caused people to stop using the horse and carriage as a form of everyday transport?
The invention of the steam engine and the car caused people to stop using the horse and carriage as a form of everyday transport.
In your opinion, what's the most important invention in history apart from the wheel?
In my opinion, the most important invention in history apart from the wheel is electricity.
Explanation. If you have a car accident and make a claim on your insurance, do you have to give a detailed explanation of what happened?
Yes, if you have a car accident and make a claim on your insurance, you have to give a detailed explanation of what happened.
About. For days and days. What about you? What kind of things do housemates argue about?
The kind of things housemates argue about are cleaning, noise, etc.
Do you think there's anything bad about lying to someone in order not to hurt their feelings?
No, I don't think there's anything bad about lying to someone in order not to hurt their feelings.
Do people stand about on the corners of the streets in your town?
Yes, people stand about on the corners of the streets in my town.
Are you in the habit of leaving your clothes lying about on your bedroom floor for days and days?
No, I'm not in the habit of leaving my clothes lying about on my bedroom floor for days and days.
If you came to the classroom for your lesson one day, but there was nobody about, what would you do?
If I came to the classroom for my lesson one day, but there was nobody about, I'd go to reception.
I don't think there's going to be another world war. What about you?
I agree. I don't think there's going to be another world war.
Bitter. Dissatisfaction. Does tea without sugar taste sweet?
No, tea without sugar doesn't taste sweet. It tastes bitter.
Why do some people feel bitter, especially in their old age?
Some people feel bitter, especially in their old age, because they feel that life has not been fair to them.
Neat. What word can we use instead of the word tidy?
We can use the word neat instead of the word tidy.
Poverty. Do you think there'll always be high levels of poverty in some parts of the world?
Yes, I think there'll always be high levels of poverty in some parts of the world.
Admire. Admiration. Who do you admire more than anyone else?
I admire the Dalai Lama more than anyone else.
Why?
Because he's so spiritual.
What's the noun of the verb to admire?
The noun of the verb to admire is admiration.
Generous. Do you think the rich are more generous than the poor?
No, I don't think the rich are more generous than the poor.
Idiom 33. Touch and go equals very uncertain. What does the idiom touch and go mean?
The idiom touch and go means very uncertain.
Give me an example, please.
The car was in very bad condition, and it was touch and go whether it would get us home or not.